Today, I am going to discuss the lesson the verger part 7, page number 8. I am very sorry, sir. I am afraid it's no good. I am too old a dog to learn new tricks. I've lived a good many years without knowing how to read and write, and without wishing to praise myself. Self-praise is no recommendations. I don't mind saying I have done my duty in that state of life in which it has placed a merciful providence to place me. And if I could learn now, I don't know as I would want to. The meaning of the word recommendation means suggestions or intention. Merciful means forbearance or forgiveness or blessing. Providence means preparation for the future. So the meaning is that I'm extremely sorry, sir. I'm afraid that I could learn. I am too old. So a old dog can't learn new tactics or skills. I have spent a lot of years without knowing how to read and write. I don't like to praise myself because self-praise is not my intention, my motto. I do not hesitate to say that I have fulfilled my duty in that illiterate state of my life, and I am really satisfied or happy to be placed or appointed here. That is the blessing of my futures. And if I could learn now, then I don't think I could learn. মই ইয়াতে সংস্থাপিত হৈ দয়া আৰু কৃপাৰ ভৱিষ্যতলৈ সন্তুষ্ট হৈ আছোঁ। অৰ্থাৎ ইয়াৰ সংস্থাপন বা চাকৰিটো মোৰ ভৱিষ্যত আৰু এই ভৱিষ্যতটো যেন মোৰ বাবে এক দয়া বা কৃপাহে। In that case, foreman, I'm afraid you must go. Yes, sir, I quite understand. I shall be happy to, and in my resignation, as soon as you have found somebody to take my place. Yes, sir, I fully understand. I shall be happy to submit my resignations when you get someone who can take my place. But when Albert Edward, with his usual politeness, had closed the church door behind the vicar and the two church wardens, he could not sustain the air of unruffled dignity with which he had borne the blow inflicted upon him, and his lips quivered. Here, unruffled means calm or serene or unknown. Dignity means decorum or worth or pride. Born means carry. Inflict means that cause pain. Quivers means tremble or shake. The meaning is that Albert, in a very polite way, came out from the room and left the vicar and the two church wardens, and he was unable to maintain the aura or quality of calm or serene or unknown decorum or unknown worth or unknown pride that caused pain, and due to that extreme pain his lips tremble or shake. তেওঁ সেই অজ্ঞাত বা পবিত্ৰ গৌৰৱৰ অনুভৱ ধৰি ৰাখিব নোৱাৰিলে, যাৰ কাৰণে তেওঁ ভাগি পৰিল আৰু তেওঁৰ ওঁঠ জুৰি কঁপিব ধৰিলে। He walked slowly back to the vestry and hung up on its proper peg his verger's gown. Vestry means a room attached to church. Hung up means put up. Peg means stack or pin or clip. তেওঁ ভেষ্ট্ৰীলৈ উভতি গ'ল আৰু সঠিক ক্লিপত তেওঁৰ গাউনযোৰ ওলোমাই থলে। He sighed as he thought of all the grand funerals and smart weddings it had seen. Sigh means deep breath. তেওঁ হুমুনিয়া ল'লে আৰু তেওঁ দেখা বৃহৎ অন্তিম সংস্কাৰ অনুষ্ঠান আৰু সুন্দৰ বিবাহ অনুষ্ঠানবিলাক তেওঁৰ মনলৈ আহিব ধৰিলে। He tidied everything up, put on his coat, and had in hand walked down the aisle. Tidy means arrange neatly. Put on means wear. Aisle means a passage between rows of seats. তেওঁ গোটেইবিলাক বস্তু ধুনীয়াকৈ সামৰি ল'লে, কোট পিন্ধি ল'লে আৰু টুপিটো হাতত লৈ চিটৰ মাজেৰে আহিব ধৰিলে। He locked the church door behind him. He strolled across the square. Stroll means walk leisurely. Square means an open space in town, not necessarily square in shape. তেওঁ লাহে লাহে খোজকাঢ়ি ৰাস্তাৰ ফালে গ'ল. He strolled across the square, but deep in his sad thoughts, he did not take the street that led him home. Very nice, strong cup of tea every day. তেওঁ লাহে লাহে খোজকাঢ়ি ৰাস্তাৰ ফালে গ'ল আৰু মনত আঘাত পোৱা বাবেই তেওঁ ঘৰলৈ যোৱা ৰাস্তা ল'ব পাহৰিলে, য'ত গৈ হয়তো তেওঁ ধুনীয়া চাহ একাপ খাব বা পিব. He walked slowly. He took the wrong turning. He walked slowly along. His heart was heavy. তেওঁ অন্তৰত এক গভীৰ বোজা অনুভৱ কৰিলে. He did not know what he should do with himself. তেওঁ এতিয়া কি কৰিব তেওঁ নিজে নাজানে. He did not fancy the notions of going back to domestic service after being his own master for so many years. For the vicar and church wardens could say what they like. It was he that had run St. Peter's Naval Square. He could scarcely demean himself by accepting a situation. তেওঁ আগতে কৰা ঘৰুৱা কাম বা সেৱালৈ ঘূৰি যোৱাৰ ইচ্ছা নকৰিলে. ইমান বছৰে তেওঁ নিজেই নিজৰ গৰাকী হৈ আছিলে, অৰ্থাৎ নিজৰ মতে চলিছিলে. ভিকাৰ বা চাৰ্চ ৱাৰ্ডেনে ক'ব পাৰে তেওঁলোকে যেনেকৈ ভাল পায়, কিন্তু তেওঁহে চাৰ্চৰ কামবিলাক কৰিছিলে বা ভালকৈ চোৱা চিতা কৰিছিলে. কিন্তু এনেকুৱা এটা অৱস্থা তেওঁ সহজে গ্ৰহণ কৰিব পৰা নাছিলে. He had saved a tidy sum, but not enough to live on without doing something. তেওঁ কিছু হয়তো টকা he had saved some money, কিছু টকা হয়তো তেওঁ বচাইছিলে, but not enough to live on without doing something, and life seemed to cost more every year. He had never thought to be troubled with such questions. The verger of St. Peter's, like the popes of Rome, were there for life. St. Petersৰ ভাৰ্জাৰবিলাক ৰোমৰ পোপবিলাকৰ নিচিনা পাৰ্মানেণ্ট হয়.